Today, you are going to learn the real truth about birds in your garden. The good they do, the potential problems they can cause, and the myths that confuse most gardeners. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make birds work for your garden instead of against it. If you've ever wondered whether birds help your garden or steal your hard work, stay with me. The facts might surprise you, and trust me, this can completely change how you garden this season. Let's start with the benefits. Birds are one of the most underrated allies in any garden. Many species eat thousands of insects every single day: caterpillars, beetles, moths, grubs, grasshoppers. This natural pest control can dramatically reduce the damage to your plants without any chemicals at all. Their droppings add nutrients to the soil, improving fertility over time. Birds also help pollinate certain plants, and they spread seeds from native flowers and shrubs, boosting biodiversity. So a garden with consistent bird activity, it's usually healthier, more balanced, and much more resilient. But it's not all perfect. Some birds will sample your fruit, peck young seedlings, or scratch through mulch-hunting insects. That doesn't make birds bad for your garden. It just means you need a balanced approach. Try netting fruit bushes, placing decoys, or offering seed and suet to redirect them. Setting up small perches away from young plants can help too. The key is management, not elimination. Now, let's bust a few myths. First, birds don't destroy gardens. Any damage is minor and easy to prevent, while the pest control is a huge plus. Second, feeding birds won't stop them from eating insects. Bugs are still their favorite food. Third, birds aren't spreading plant diseases. Those usually come from soil or infected plants. Birds are partners in your garden when you understand how they behave and how to guide them. Harness the benefits, manage the drawbacks, and your garden will be stronger and more productive. If you want more practical, no-nonsense garden guidance, make sure to like, subscribe, and join the family. Your support helps grow this channel and keeps valuable gardening content coming your way.